Alright, so I have about an ounce and a half left in this bottle of Mezcal. What do you think I should do with it? Shoot it? Yeah, I mean, that is a good idea. Maybe I will. No, I know what to do with it. Let's make the division bell. Boom. Today's cocktail is pretty simple to make, and you should have all of these ingredients in your home bar. It was created by Phil Ward around 2009 in New York, and it's another riff on the classic Last Word. Phil Ward is also known for creating the Oaxaca Old Fashioned and the Final Ward. Okay, you're gonna need a mezcal, and this is what I usually say. Mezcal is basically a smoky tequila. And just because I'm feeling a little bit salty today, this is for all you trolls out there commenting and arguing with me saying that mezcal is not a smoky tequila. It's just that sometimes too much information is too much information. Then we're going to use Aperol. Aperol is a fruity, bittersweet liqueur from Italy. Is it an Amaro? That's a good question. It is listed in this book, which I highly recommend. I'll leave a link down below for it. Then we have Maraschino Liqueur, which is also an Italian liqueur. It's made from Maraschino cherries, and it's used in a bunch of classic cocktails and modern cocktails. It definitely is a staple in any bar. It doesn't really taste like cherries though. To me, it's more nutty with hints of vanilla. It's really hard to explain, but it is unique and it's really hard to replace it, so please don't use just any cherry liqueur because it's definitely not the same. And then the final ingredient is some fresh lime juice. Half an ounce of Maraschino Liqueur. 3/4 ounce of Aperol. 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. And 1 ounce of your mezcal. Yeah, it's that time. This is really nice. You get a little bit of the orange from the Aperol. I can pick up on the nuttiness from the Maraschino. And of course the lime juice is there. You get a little bit of the smokiness from the mezcal, but it's not too crazy. This is a perfect cocktail for somebody that's just being introduced to mezcal. And if you're worried about something being too smoky, this is a great starter cocktail because yeah, this is really good. If you like the Naked and Famous, this cocktail is definitely for you. Anyway, that's all folks. I'll see you guys next time. Cheers. Here's to Mexico.